Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making this award-winning key lime pie. It's fresh, flavorful, and the perfect combination of tart and sweet, with a filling that's a beautiful creamy yellow color and a crunchy, buttery, homemade graham cracker crust. Today's recipe has been lovingly shared by a very special snowbird who's taken the prize many times thanks to her famous key lime pie. You'll be amazed at how easy this is, and it comes together in less than 10 minutes. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. For the graham cracker crust, I'm using monk fruit sweetener for the sugar, and it's a 1-to-1 replacement for regular white sugar, which you can also use if you prefer. Melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the microwave. Begin by crushing 10 graham crackers. Today I'm going to be crushing them in a plastic Ziploc bag. First with my hands, and then smoothing out the bigger pieces with a small rolling pin. If this is your first time on our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with your friends and family, like this pretty little key lime pie. It's perfect for brunches, Easter, Mother's Day, summer picnics, and barbecues. This is one of those desserts that always puts a smile on everyone's face. Once the graham crackers are fine crumbs, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix it together in the bag. Then add the melted butter and mix it thoroughly to incorporate the butter into all of the crumbs. Thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. Next, pour the crumb mixture into the pie plate and spread it across the bottom and up the sides in a uniform thickness. Okay, now we're going to bake the crust for about 10 minutes. While the pie is baking, we can start mixing up the key lime filling. I found my key limes at the farmer's market this week and picked up 2 pints for $5. Key limes are tiny, and they're a little greenish yellow lime with a completely different flavor than other limes. The taste is brighter, a little bit tangier, and slightly floral than a regular lime. And because they're smaller, it's going to take a lot more limes to get the 3/4 of a cup that we'll need for this pie. I ended up using about 12 key limes for mine. The orange juicer couldn't quite squeeze the limes tight enough. If you have a lime squeezer, it'll probably work better. I ended up switching to a regular juicer, and it squeezed out the juice just fine. If you're not able to find key limes, you can also substitute bottled key lime juice, like Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime juice. To begin making the key lime filling, pour the 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk into a mixing bowl. Add the 3/4 cup of key lime juice and stir gently to blend. Add the 1/2 cup of sour cream, and the tablespoon of freshly grated key lime, and gently blend until smooth. If you love to entertain and share great tasting treats like this key lime pie, check out our playlist of dessert recipes and potluck favorites. They're all simple to make, and I guarantee they taste incredible. And we have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Pour the key lime mixture into the crust, smoothing the top, and bake in the 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Once it's done, cool on a wire rack for about 30 minutes, and then cover the top loosely and chill for at least 4 hours. I have a little extra filling left over, so I quickly put together a half recipe for the graham cracker crust, and it was enough to make a few little key lime tarts using a cupcake tin. Bake these mini crusts for 4 minutes, then spoon in about 2 tablespoons of key lime filling and bake for 5 minutes. While our pies are chilling, whip up some fresh whipped cream using 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon and a half of sugar, or I'm using the monk fruit sweetener. Whip on high for about 3 minutes until the whipped cream can hold a soft peak and has some body. When you're ready to serve, spread the whipped cream evenly over the pie and top with freshly grated key lime and your favorite garnish. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's one of my favorites. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Here's some more great recipes I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.